This 4 feet by 3 feet Buddha was not made by a professional sculptor. It was made by someone who once could not even sculpt a face properly. In fact, my mom used to say the face looked like a ghost, and honestly, she was not wrong. When I started this YouTube channel, I had never learned sculpting from anyone. No art school, no mentor. Only practice and a lot of failed attempts. Every sculpture taught me something new. There is something my mother probably does not even realize. I was always a chubby kid. My mom was completely opposite, but somehow she carried me everywhere. Every drawing competition, every art event. She never cared if I own or not. She just wanted me to keep creating. Today, years later, she still supports every crazy idea I come up with. I started with a simple plywood. My father built a sturdy wooden frame around it. That frame became the backbone of the entire artwork. After sketching the Buddha, he helped me hammer small pins all along the outline. These pins act like anchor, giving the sculpture a strong grip so material does not crack or collapse while building the volume. Instead of using solid clay or wall putty for the entire base, which would make it extremely heavier, I first built the base using newspaper. This technique makes the sculpture much lighter, saves material, and still create a strong foundation. Once the basic form was ready, I covered it with all the finishing layer to bring every detail to life. I know many of you will notice something. The detailed sculpting of the face and hand is not completely recorded. While working, I become so focused on getting the expression right. I completely forget to record this part. So instead, I am showing clips from my previous sculpture. The techniques are almost the same, only the confidence has changed. This was me, and this is still me. Only the difference is practice. Hundreds of hours, hundreds of mistakes, and never giving up. People think talent creates beautiful art. I think consistency creates beautiful art. Because if talent was everything, I would have stopped that day when my Buddha looked like a ghost. When I finished the sculpture, I did not just see a Buddha. I saw every mistake I made over the last few years. Every late night, every failed sculpture, every time I wanted to quit. People see the final artwork, but my parents, they saw every unfinished version of me. If someone who had never sculpted before can make this, then imagine what you can create if you simply don't stop. Trust the process, and one day you will surprise yourself.